Hello and welcome back to EGMG's YouTube channel. We are so glad you could join us here for another video highlight. Today we're talking about those solutions. We'll be looking at a variety of styles that sight glasses come in. Now, sight glasses have become a critical operation to the food processing industry, the pharmaceutical processing industries, steam and pipeline industries, as well as the chemical processing industry. So we want to help you view the product flowing through your lines today with Steele & O'Brien Manufacturing. So let's begin by first taking a look at what is sight glass. Well, it's basically a window or a port that is going to be transparent that provides you a means of seeing inside of your process pipe or your tank. Now, processing plant operators use sight glass to verify production stages with a visual process, inspect media or fluids for changes in color or consistency, observe those liquid levels in tanks. Now, in the sanitary processing industries, sight glasses are primarily used one of two ways. So in the biopharmaceutical industry, manufacturers use sight glasses installed in tanks and vessels to verify the various steps of fermentation within a process. And then in the food and beverage processing industry, sight glasses are used to check product clarity and cleanliness, to confirm that change has occurred in that process, and for a general visual inspections of fluid and slurries. So today we want to introduce to you a brand new product by Steele & O'Brien Manufacturing, and that is the clear acrylic sight tubes. Now these are ideal for simple sight requirements as well as tank level indication. So these acrylic tubes comply with all the federal codes. They are an economical option to the stainless steel sight glasses, which we'll talk about in just a moment. They offer the standard clamp torque, and the minimum length is no longer than 1.25 inches, but there are going to be other sizes. You can see here on the screen for those different maximum lengths and minimum lengths. If you want to know more about the lengths and size, please click the link in the description, and that will have all the information you need. Now, talking about their pressure ratings, we can see that. And just remember, these clear acrylic sight tubes are not recommended for abrasive products because it's just going to scratch and scar the insides of these tubes, which won't provide you a clear viewing area. Now, it's not recommended to use these clear acrylic sight tubes with the 2-bolt high pressure clamps. Now, let's take a look at those stainless steel products. Here we have the socket head cap screw sight glass by Steele & O'Brien, and it's just your typical socket head cap screw with your clamps on the ends. It can be made with the acrylic or the Pyrex, that Pyrex glass with the sealed Buna seals. Next up here, if you are looking for a fixed type style sight glass and you want to make sure that your sight glass is not going to be damaged or impacted in any way, you might be interested in the shield clamp concentric sight glass, and that way that your sight glass is protected. And then we also have here with Steele & O'Brien the bolt style sight glasses. So these are two different options available. Another option we have is the cross style sight glass. These are going to provide that clear view for your process line. They have the same dimensions as your typical standard clamps and tees, and they're going to make for quick installation. They're made with that borosilicate glass or that patented Pyrex glass, and they come sealed with your Buna gaskets. Lastly, we have the clamp cap style sight glass, which you can see here, and these are super simple and easy. To install, they're available in the Lexan or the acrylic materials. They're offered from 1 inch all the way up to 6 inch in those tri-clamp sizes. So they're easy to get into your process line. So if you have any questions or you're wondering what sight glass is right for the proper application you have, give us a call or reach out to us today. We'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.